Hi, my name is Marissa. If you don't remember me, I'm a Girl Scout and I wanted to box break some Girl Scout cookies. So today we have shortbreads, which are also in a box. And on the front you could see the girls painting something. Looks like they're writing words. I don't know what they're saying, but they're writing words on there. I see someone said, "I'm awesome." So there's the girls. So then on the back we have what the cookie looks like, and they're called shortbread. So, and then I guess the cookies earn badges too. So I'll give you a minute to look at the badges. Okay, so now let's open up the box. The boxes, if you haven't seen my last videos, this is my 4th video, so go check my other 3 out. So the boxes are pretty easy to open. I told you that the last time. They're very small. They're very small, I can tell you that. Let's see how they smell. Now these cookies, the Girl Scout cookies, are very easy to break, so you gotta be careful with them. Okay, so it smells like a regular, cinnamon cookie. Feels kind of good, so let's taste it. Okay. Tastes like a regular cookie to me. Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to tell you this. I'm gonna get another one because I already took mine out. So, the cookies are in the shape of the Girl Scout symbol. That's what the cookie's shape is. The shape of the Girl Scout symbol. Here, so let me find it unboxed. Here. So if you look right up here, you can see the Girl Scout symbol. Doesn't this look exactly like it? Okay, so these taste pretty good. I like that they're nice and hard, and they don't really have that flavor on the bottom that my other ones did. So it tastes like a regular cookie because it doesn't have that flavor on the bottom that my other ones had. So these are pretty good. These I would give these 4 stars. They're pretty good, but it would be nice if they had like a chocolate on the bottom. It would taste good. But I could see why they didn't do that, because then it would be just like the Thanks a Lot cookie. So go check that video out. And so I'll see you next Sunday. Bye.